Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. And I'm live here in my account for OLSP System in the members area. And you'll see that I've put on the screen that this particular product in OLSP System is called Megalink. And it costs $7 one-time payment without any monthly membership costs. So what that allows you to do with the free traffic training in the members area, that allows you to get into profit and stay in profit. And one of many reasons, more importantly, is that Wayne is paying you 100% commissions. So once you've got your first referral of $7, after that you can get into profit and you can stay into profit. So this is perfect for beginners because there's no monthly membership costs, and the training that he gives you inside the members area is going to teach you how to succeed in promoting this offer. Now, it's a very unique system, and what I like about it is the value you get is absolutely superb, because not only are you going to get 100% commissions, what he does, Wayne, he follows up with done-for-you autopilot follow-up emails, and he promotes your links. So this is a complete system where you can just join for $7, promote for free, and then let Wayne take over and promote your links to earn you commissions. And there's up to 7 income streams when he promotes your one link. I'll just come to that shortly and how his ecosystem works. There's also a school group for training and help as well. So there's absolutely everything you need within this system to help you succeed in making money online. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. So once you join through the link in the description, you're going to get what's called a mega link. So if I just top right hand corner here is my mega link, and that's where yours will be. And that's what you're going to promote, is one link. And if we just come over here and show you, this is what Wayne calls his ecosystem. Now I'm going to draw a line. This is a training inside the members area. It's a training that takes you step by step through the whole system. All these video trainings on the left hand side here. Everything's here. Excuse me, step by step. All these video trainings are all there. In the training, Wayne draws a line down here. So all you've got to do is these couple of things on the left hand side here. So that's all you've got to do. I'm going to show you shortly how that works. Now everything over here on the right hand side of the line, everything here is completely done for you. Let's put some text in there. Done for you. Now that's really important, because especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, to be able to have a system like this that's done for you for a one-time $7 is absolutely, I think it's the best value I've ever seen with any system. So what happens is, let's get our little pencil out here. What happens is you're going to get your mega link. And then what Wayne's going to do is Wayne's going to show you how to drive traffic to that mega link. And that's all you do over here. Now he does that. He does it with live trainings. Does it with trainings within the members area. Your mega link will take your prospects to a done for you squeeze page. Some call it a lead capture page. That's all done. Oops, that's all done for you as well. So once you drive traffic into here, Wayne takes over. And this is how things work. Your prospects opt into your lead capture page, and then Wayne does all the follow-ups on autopilot for you. But what he does, he promotes all these other offers. And these will have your affiliate links in. So some are low ticket offers, some are higher ticket offers, some are recurring monthly products, and he's going to send emails. And anytime any one of your prospects, they're all coded to you. Anytime any of your prospects buy, your leads buy, you earn commissions. That's the power of Wayne's system. Now he creates, if you look here, our own products. He creates his own products. And because he's created his own products, he knows that they're going to convert into commissions because he's created them himself. And he's made, Wayne himself is an absolute expert. He's made $15 million in sales online. He's been online for over 10 years. He's made $15 million. So he knows how to convert with emails, and he knows how to create products that convert as well. He's got a staff of 32. Everything's here that you need. This is now a school group. It's not a Facebook group. Let's call it SK. That's a school group. So the value is absolutely superb. For $7, you're going to get everything here done for you ecosystem. Never seen such great value within any system online. So come and meet Wayne. This is Wayne here. This is Wayne Crowe. The link in the description will take you to this page here. It's a 10-minute video, and he's going to talk you through how he's going to help you and coach you and train you and teach you how to become successful with affiliate marketing. So he lives in United Kingdom, so he lives in England like me. And he'll not only teach you how to succeed with OLSP System with his training, he'll teach you how to promote any offer online. So highly recommend. It's put down there, just $7 one time. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube journey. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all the uploads on my channel here. So currently on my channel, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments about today's content, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description if you'd like to send me an email. And I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.